All rise. First case third court is now in session. The Honorable Judge John Putman presiding.
Be seated, please. Thank you. State versus Brian Sutterfield. Residential burglary, theft of property, 14-230. Brian Sutterfield.
And I think we've got Mr. Sutterfield, Public Defender's Office. I believe we'll be representing him with waiving of information and a plea of not guilty.
I'll enter the plea of not guilty. He should reappear before Judge Webb on October 23rd, 10 o'clock.
Thank you.
State versus Michael Pierce, 14-197. Residential burglary and theft.
Your Honor, this actually says reappearance, I think, for plea acceptance or rejection. We're still working on this case. It's rather new. It wasn't filed until August.
Okay.
We could have another reappearance on the 30th of this month.
October 30th, 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
14-165. State versus Brian Maxwell. Rape, sexual assault.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, this case is proceeding. We have received full discovery. I'm in the process of reviewing the extensive videos that were provided in this case. At this point, if we can leave the case as scheduled, and I would ask that the court consider if we needed a pretrial date prior to the November 11th date, but we'll make that motion or get that set if we need it.
Should I schedule him to appear on October 30th or just
Judge,
leave
at this
it?
point, I don't think so. There's a lot of discovery I still need to look at for potential motions.
Very good. We'll leave it as scheduled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. 14-139, State versus Kevin Taggart. Theft of property, 2 counts.
You know, we've received a revised plea offer today. I just need time to review it with him.
Okay,
We'll have him reappear on the 30th.
okay. October 30th, 10 o'clock. 14-125, State versus Scott Vest. Possession of methamphetamine.
I will enter my appearance on this.
Okay,
I believe he's set for trial in November. And, given this circumstances, I'd ask that we continue that on the defense motion.
you'll file a short motion, I'll grant it. We'll issue an order. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
14-228, State versus Thomas Galuzzo. Furnishing privileges articles, methamphetamine, 14-229. Methamphetamine, marijuana, drug paraphernalia, obstructing operations. 13-277. Possession of drug paraphernalia.
Ready to catch the case number on the new case that we're being arraigned on, waiving of information, plea of not guilty.
Okay.
On both of those cases, I'm sorry. Your Honor, can we have him reappear on the 30th on all this?
On all of this, we can.
We have a revocation in 2013-208. See that on the docket.
13 what?
2013-208, we have a hearing on that.
Okay, I don't have that file in front of me, but
You know, I think under the Act 570, that hearing would actually take place in front of Judge Webb as the sentencing judge.
okay.
So that's probably why it's not talking today. My best guess.
Well, I have in 13-277, I don't see that anything is pending. Or has that been resolved?
No, that's an open case. I think
Open
he had an
case.
FTA this spring on that.
Ah, I see. On the cases I have before me, I'll have him reappear on October 30th, and if we can get the, you know when he was arrested in the 08 case? Okay, well, I guess we need to check when we need to have a hearing.
Or we taking care of everything for the court?
Yes.
If we work something out, we'll bring him back after the break.
Very well. State versus Jacob Seifert, 14-205. It's a revocation. Original charges were theft and breaking or entering. That are set for hearing today?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that there's some new charges pending. I think they're attempting to get the affidavit for me so that I'd have that to review. We'll recall him after the break.
Okay.
Probably for housekeeping purposes, if you want to show him for the 30th, there's no way I'm prepared for the hearing today.
Okay.
We'd waive the 60-day requirement on that. But, we may be able to deal with it still today, but I need to review that affidavit and see what those allegations are.
Very well, I'll set this revocation case 14205 for hearing on October 30th, 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.